Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two sales tools platform, which is Apollo and Warmy. So to get started about these two platforms. So Apollo remains a top-tier sales engagement platform, offering a massive database of lead and powerful search filters, code email automation, CRM features, and built-in calling, all tailored for full-cycle outbound sales. It's designed for teams that want to scale fast with deep prospecting and multi-touch outreach. Warming, in contrast, is the specialist tools that focus solely on email warm-up and deliverability, using AI to boost domain reputation and ensure cold emails land in the inbox, not in the spam folder. So, because they serve different stage of the sales process, they don't directly compete. But Apollo clearly remain in terms of overall outreach capabilities. So overall, without proper warm-up, even Apollo-based campaign can fail to reach prospect. And here's a very conclusion about this. So Apollo is the better sales engine, but warm-up is the behind-the-scene deliverability fixer and the minimum results. Many teams wisely use both. So for you to get the minimum result, you must at least use the both. So if you are a team working, so you will definitely need to use the both to get a fast result. And that's it. So find the video a little more helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.